Ako si Andre at ngayon gusto ko maipakita sa inyo kung bakit kailangan nyo uminom ng Mygo everyday and daily. Pero bago iyon, kailangan ko muna ipakita sa inyo isang commercial na galing sa Mygo. See you later!
Feeling down? Dribbling bad? Don't worry, we got you. With Mygo! You will feel extremely fast. Extremely better at your own sport. And most importantly, it tastes good.